Ay yung product rule. So, meron tayo ditong A power of M multiply by A power of N. So, ang unang titignan natin dito ay yung base nila. Sila ay parehas. So, kung parehas ang base, pwede na natin sila i-simplify. So, that will equal to A, M, plus N. So, sa product rule, i-add lang natin yung mga exponents. So, yan yung unang rule. So, let's have an example. Example A, 2 power of 3 multiplied by 2 power of 2. And that will equal to 2 power of 3 plus 2. And that is equal to 2 power of 5. And it will give us 32. So, eto na yung sagot. Next, example B, x power of 4 multiplied by x power of 5. And pwede natin siyang isimplify into x power of 4 plus 5. And that will equal to x power of 9. So, yan na po ang ating sagot. Yung pangalawang rule is yung quotient rule. So, ulit, titignan natin kung pareho sila ng base. Ito, yung base niya is A, tapos yung base niya is A here. So, therefore, pwede na natin siyang i-simplify. So, paano ba mag-simplify ng quotient rule? Madali lang. Kung yung